Hey everyone, welcome back. You can get a decent resume out of ChatGPT on your phone in about 2 minutes, but only if you ask for it properly. Type "Write me a resume" and you'll get a generic template full of blanks. In this tutorial, I'll show you the prompt that actually works and how to polish the result without retyping a thing. Let's get into it. Swipe up from the bottom to open your apps. Tap the search bar, type in ChatGPT, and tap the app to open it. Now here's the important part, the prompt. Don't just say "write a resume." Give it 3 things: the job, how much experience you've got, and anything unusual about your situation. So I'm typing, "Write a resume for a warehouse worker with 3 years experience. Forklift license, no degree." Those last 2 details are what stop it inventing qualifications you don't have. Now tap send and give it a few seconds, and look what comes back. It hasn't just dumped text into the chat, it's built the resume in a card with the word "writing" at the top, because it treats a document like a document. You can already see it's laid out with a summary, experience and skills sections, and it's used the forklift license instead of pretending you have a degree. Tap that card, and the whole resume opens full screen as an editable document. This is where you make it yours. Tap straight into the text and put your real name in, your real dates, the actual company names. Anything ChatGPT guessed, you just overwrite by typing, exactly like a notes app. Now for the polish. At the bottom you've got "Make it shorter, more professional and more casual." For a resume, tap "More professional." It rewrites the whole thing and shows the new version in blue so you can compare before committing, and you tap "Accept" to keep it. Then hit the copy icon at the top, and you can paste the finished resume straight into a document or an email. So let's recap. Open ChatGPT, and instead of asking for a resume, give it the job, your years of experience, and your real situation, including what you haven't got. Send it, and your resume comes back as a writing card. Tap the card to open it full screen, then type your real details straight over anything it guessed. Use "more professional" to tighten the language, tap "Accept" and copy it out. Always read it before you send it anywhere. It's a first draft, not a finished application. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.